Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Financial Management and click on Payable. Go to Process. Go to Request. And click on Create Request. Click on Standard Request. Select Currency. Click on Purchase Request Subject. Select Department. Select Request Person. Select Credit Terms. Click Add New. Click on Select Item. Click on Unit Type. Select Quantity. Select Discount. Select VAT. Click on Save Standard Request and click on Save and Index.